Isaac Newton once pushed a metal needle directly into his own eye socket, not by accident, not in madness, deliberately. He wanted to understand light. Sitting alone in darkness, he inserted a bodkin between the bone and the eye itself, pressing until colors exploded across his vision like artificial stars. Pain was irrelevant. Truth mattered more. History remembers Newton as the architect of reason, the man of gravity, the machine-like genius who transformed the universe into mathematics. But the real Newton lived in shadows. Behind locked doors, beneath flickering candlelight, he spent decades chasing ancient secrets most scientists would call insanity. Newton believed reality itself was encrypted, not metaphorically, literally. To him, the universe was a divine mechanism filled with hidden codes waiting to be deciphered. Mathematics was not merely calculation, it was theology, an instrument for peering into the machinery of God. So while Europe imagined Newton as a rational scientist, he secretly disappeared into alchemical laboratories, poisoned by mercury fumes. For years, he heated strange metals in silence, studied ancient symbols, copied forbidden texts, searching not for chemistry, but transformation itself. The mercury slowly entered his body. Modern historians believe Newton may have spent years breathing toxic vapor powerful enough to fracture the human mind. And perhaps it did. Because the deeper Newton traveled into hidden knowledge, the more isolated he became from ordinary humanity. Newton trusted numbers more than people. Human beings were emotional, chaotic, unstable systems impossible to fully predict. But equations obeyed. Then came the Royal Mint. Newton was appointed Warden of the Mint in London, a position most intellectuals would have treated as ceremonial. Newton treated it like war. Counterfeiters flooded England's economy with false coins. So Newton descended into the criminal underworld personally. He interrogated informants, built networks of spies, tracked counterfeiters through taverns and hidden streets like a cold mathematical predator. This was not the image taught in schools. Newton was not simply calculating gravity beneath an apple tree. He was hunting men toward the gallows. And yet, even power over science and currency was not enough, because Newton's greatest obsession was still hidden from the world. Biblical apocalypse. At night, alone beside candlelight and endless manuscripts, he searched scripture for mathematical patterns predicting the end of civilization itself. Newton concluded that the world would not end through chaos, but through inevitability, a divine mechanism slowly approaching its final calculation. One date appeared repeatedly in his writings: 2060.